Guys, what's up? Welcome back again to my channel, another vlog. Kung bagong kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget to like and subscribe. At sa mga hindi nakakilala, my name is Noisky. And also guys, thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuport at nanonood sa aking vlog. Surprise ito guys, meron tayong pupuntahan na isang malupit ulit na restaurant. Alright guys, stay tuned. Abangan nyo. First of all, mega love shoutout kay Madam Kiras. Alright guys, see you. Yun na nga guys, this is a new experience. Abangan nyo guys kung saan kami papasyal ulit ni Madam Perlas. For the meantime, nandito tayo ngayon sa pinakamataas na building ng Amsterdam. Dito tayo guys, Moon Revolving Restaurant. Yan ang Moon. So yun na guys, dito tayo kakain sa taas ng restaurant na to. Itong tinatawag na The Moon Restaurant. Ito ay 360 restaurant, umiikot ito guys. So dito tayo ngayon magla-lunch kasama si Madam Perlas. Talagang napaka-slow lang daw ang rotation nito. So guys, stay tuned. Titignan natin kung mag-iiba yung ating view. Anyway, naka-timelapse naman yung isa kong camera dito. Kung anong nasa harap nito, kapag nag-iba ang nasa harap nito din, malalaman natin. Alright guys, stay tuned. At nag-order na kami ng aming kakainin. Anyway guys, first time ulit namin na pumunta sa restaurant na to. Last time, nandun kami sa taas. Madam Restaurant pala sa taas. Kung hindi nyo pa yun napapanood guys, may video ako nun. Ito yung link. Yun ay birthday mo yun ano? It was birthday yun ni Madam Pearl. Doon kami nag-celebrate sa taas. Ito guys yung link. Right.
I got already some bread from the table.
Oh, thank you. So, first bread guys. Itong ating parang munay guys, munay. Right. So guys, ito yung ano namin, starter. Beef tartar with pickle and egg yolk. At saka ito naman ay scallop ravioli. So yan guys yung aming starter. Okay, that's it. Alright guys, tikman mo natin itong bread with buttered avocado. Palaman. As usual, matigas pa rin yung bread. So guys, we're gonna try the steak tartar. Actually ito ay ano with egg yolk. Yun yan. Raw ito, raw na beef. Giniling na beef with egg yolk. So, let's see. Normally kinakain ko na rin yung lang sushi. Pero this time, okay siya guys, masarap. So ito guys, yung chibog namin ngayon. Lobster and tarbot, right? That's it. So yun na nga guys, we will try lobster with pickled onions. Ang masarap. Right. Dito guys, walang rice kaya talagang ulam lang at saka tinapay. So this is gonna eat bread. Saka yung ulam. Guys, check it out. Ito yung time-lapse ng 360 dito sa Moon Restaurant. Ito yung itsura niya pag umiikot yung restaurant. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. Right, babush.